Who pays for dog bite claims? Well, unfortunately, dog bites happen more often than they need to, and oftentimes the damage can be pretty severe with injuries running into the thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. So, who pays these big verdicts or big settlements? Well, there's no such thing as strict dog insurance, just like everyone that drives has to have auto insurance. There's no such thing as dog insurance. So, what covers dog owners is either going to be a renter's insurance policy or a homeowner's insurance policy. Now, the problem with these insurance policies, and this varies from state to state and policy to policy, so there's no one size fits all, but some policies have exclusions for what they consider to be dangerous breeds of dog. So, you might see exclusions for a pit bull, a German shepherd, Doberman, something like that. So if you happen to have a dog that is listed as an exclusion on your homeowner's or your renter's policy, that means if your dog does cause an injury to somebody, the insurance company is going to say, hey, this dog is excluded. We're not paying anything. You're on your own. So if you have an excluded dog, you may want to shop around and call some other insurance companies and find a policy that does not exclude your breed of dog because you're paying for the insurance anyway. You might as well have the coverage. If your dog does injure somebody and there's a claim against you, you call up your insurance company, whether it's renter's insurance or homeowner's insurance, and you say, hey, look, there's a claim, and the insurance company will get all the information from you. They're going to hire a lawyer to defend you, and that lawyer is going to be paid by the insurance company, not by you, so you don't have to write the lawyer a check. And then the insurance company is going to try to settle the case first, and the insurance company will pay a settlement up to the amount of the insurance policy limits. And if they can't settle the case and it has to go to trial, then they will pay the lawyer to take it to trial, and it'll pay any verdict, again, up to the limit of policy, up to policy limits, not more than that. Now, on the other side, if you happen to be the person that's bitten by a dog, I was bitten about 2 months ago myself, and it's not a fabulous experience, but the first thing you need to do is get medical care. You got to get the wound cleaned out really, really well so you don't have any infection. And then the second thing you need to do is you need to go and confirm that the dog is up to date with the rabies shot, because if you have to go through the rabies process, it's a rather unpleasant journey for the person to go through. So ideally, you want to confirm that the dog has had their rabies vaccines. The dog may be quarantined for, I think it's 10 days or something like that, to make sure they don't show any symptoms. But that's what happens if you do get bit by a dog. So dog owners, check your insurance policies to make sure that your dog is not excluded by the policy. And future dog owners, I also volunteer at the Animal Foundation, and it's absolutely bursting at the seams with adoptable dogs right now. So hop online at animalfoundation.com. Go check out some dogs. If you want to go meet them, come on down. You can just walk right outside and view them all in their little bungalows, take pictures of the QR codes of the ones you're interested in, and then you can get meet and greets and maybe come home with your new friend today. If you happen to be in Nevada where I practice law and you've got questions about a personal injury case, feel free to give me a call or drop me an email and we'll talk about it.